Well, this is where it might get dicey. Frontline healthcare workers and elder care patients are first in line to get the vaccine. But who comes next? Many different groups want to be high on that priority list, from grocery store workers to public works employees to teachers. The lobbying has begun. Here's NBC Bay Area's Christie Smith.
Safe reopening does require resources, and we really need state-level leadership.
Dr. Amy Beck is the parent of a first grader in the San Francisco Unified School District, and she is among those who support the idea that teachers and staff should be a priority group for the vaccine.
Despite the heroic efforts of educators to teach remotely, ongoing school closures are nothing short of a crisis for children in California. As a parent and pediatrician, I see the impacts every day.
Children with signs of anxiety and depression. Parents concerned young children are disengaged and falling behind under distance learning. Today, she joined a virtual meeting led by Supervisor Hillary RONEN with education advocates and elected leaders to call on the governor to make teachers and staff a vaccination priority so kids can get back to school.
So far, the state has only announced its first priority group, and educators are not part of that first priority group. We are asking that they be the next in line for the vaccine.
RONEN has introduced a resolution. Leaders from other cities plan to do the same, but there's no shortage of other groups who feel they belong closer to the front of the line, including food service and grocery workers who've been hit hard by the virus.
We recognize these are not easy decisions to make. We have so many essential workers across California that put their lives on the line every day.
I really support this idea that educators and teachers should be getting the vaccine next.
Monica Gandhi is an infectious disease physician and professor of medicine at UCSF.
They are so essential to the health and the mental health of our children that I would call them essential workers and get them vaccinated along with grocery store workers and everyone else. And our hope is that we're going to have enough vaccine for everyone, with 2 candidates almost on the cusp of being approved.
In San Francisco, Christie Smith, NBC Bay Area News.